Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So the Samsung Galaxy A34 just received another new update that we will discuss today in this video. So as you know that the circle to search is a Galaxy AI feature that comes with the flagship smartphones of the Samsung, and now the circle to search is finally available on the Samsung Galaxy A34 as well. And today in this video I will show you that how you can get that circle to search feature. So for first you just have to go to your settings and then scroll down, and you just have to click on software update and then download and install. And after clicking on download and install, you will get to see a new update, and it will include the circle to search feature. So if you ask that what is circle to search, so circle to search with the Google lets you easily learn more about anything shown on your screen. And this update also includes some security features, and this is a 452.14 MBs of update with the security patch of 1st July 2024. To install this update, for first you just have to simply download it. So I will quickly click on this download icon and the update will start to download. It is a 452.14 MBs of update, so depending on your internet speed it will download. I will quickly fast forward this part of the video, and as you can see over here, the update is finally downloaded, and now you just have to simply install it. But keep in mind that you won't be able to use your device while the update process is going on. To install it, you just have to simply click on install now and the update will start to install. This installation process might take a while as it will restart your device and it will optimize your apps as well. So I will quickly fast forward this part of the video as well. And finally, the circle to search feature is now available on our Samsung Galaxy A34. As you can see over here, by holding the home button you will get to see this new feature of circle to search. It was kinda lagging at first glance. Let me know in your comment section that was it lagging on your device or not. So to use it, you just have to simply click your home button, long press your home button, and then you just have to simply circle the object to search it from the Google, as I am doing right now. As you can see over here, it is now searching for settings. It is a really good thing for that if you want to search anything directly from your screen. Also, if there is a text on your screen from another language, you can also translate that by simply using this trick. By long pressing your home button and then clicking on this icon, that text will be automatically translated into English. And for the One UI 7 update, according to our website SamMobile, we have an update list, and in that update list the Samsung Galaxy A34 is also included in the One UI 7 update. We do not have the official release date announced yet. Also, there is no beta update yet for the flagship series, so the update might be delayed. And that's alright for today's video. Make sure to update your device and get this circle to search feature on your Samsung Galaxy A34. And let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your device or not yet. And if you are new on this channel, make sure to like and subscribe.